Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram story 3 dots is not showing on iPhone and Android device. Lot of Instagram user has been reporting to Instagram 3 dots option is not showing on my iPhone and Android device. Now the Instagram main user's question is how to fix this issue on my iPhone and Android device. Now before the starting video, please make sure to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. Now first of all, strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and Android devices and open the Instagram. Instagram users to say Instagram's new update after Instagram 3 dots is not showing. Open the Instagrams after now select the anyone reels from the Instagram's feed. Select the reels after you can see also share icon is available. Now please make sure tap on it. In the share icon you can see also add to your story options available. Now please make sure tap on it. When these reels show on your Instagram story, now top corner you can see also 3 dots options is not available. Now the Instagram users question is how to save these reels from your Instagram story in iPhone and Android device. And now also how to fix 3 dots not showing on Instagram story. Now the first one solution is most important for the iPhone and Android users. So guys, please make sure follow the steps. First of all, find out the Instagram applications from your home screen, press and hold, and last option is uninstall. When the uninstallation is successfully done, after again open the any browser. In my case I will open the Chrome browser. In the Chrome browser's top corner search bar, in search bar search old versions of the Instagram. Now tap on the first websites. This website link I give you on my description box, so guys usually copy and paste on your browser. Open the trusted website after scroll down, and now last one is 7 September 2022 is a stable versions of the Instagram. Now tap on date after you can see also green download icon available. Now please make sure tap on it. Now the download and installation successfully done after logging your account. This way too you can easily 3 dots problem fix on your Instagram. Now the second solution is without 3 dots how to save Instagram story on my iPhone and Android device. Open the App Store in the iPhone and Play Store in the Android devices. Top corner search bar, in search bar search Insta Save. Tap on the Insta Save after you can see also this application is free for the save Instagram story on your iPhone and Android device. Now the download install from the App Store and Play Store in iPhone and Android devices. These two solutions to you can easily Instagram 3 dots not showing problem fix on your iPhone and Android device. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problems as soon as. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.